Have you ever thought that these people always talk about the harms of artificial intelligence, but never stop investing in it or never stop their organizations to excel? As a matter of fact, they always talk about the term water shortage, but do they gave their sight on it? I would say no, because AI consumes roughly 1.8 to 12 liters of water per kilowatt hour of energy usage in data centers. Frankly speaking, fresh water. Artificial intelligence is growing faster than ever before. Every day, new AI tools are changing the way we live, work, and even think. But is AI really making the world better? Or are we heading toward a future where humans are no longer needed? I would say, we are becoming useless because just think, not even a single person likes to work hard if he have a robot or any assistant to work for him. To answer all these questions, let's begin this video. AI is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, in our homes, and even in our cars. It can write books, make music, and even talk like a human. Scientists are working hard to make AI smarter every day. Some people believe AI will solve big problems and make life easier. But others, including me, are worried that AI is moving too fast. Just think about it. AI can now pass medical exams, create paintings like famous artists, and even generate human-like voices. If it continues at this speed, will there be anything left that humans can do better than AI? Now, the question is that if Mr. Elon Musk and Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, knows about the dangers of AI, then why they are not stop investing in it? The answer is money and power. They just come to the media channels to says these words, just to make their side clear.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
Some experts say we need a pause on AI development to understand its risks better. But companies don't want to stop, because AI is making them billions of dollars. But are these dollars worth than human life? If AI can do everything, what happens to us? Many jobs that people do today might disappear. AI can replace drivers, cashiers, even teachers from the school, a place where children learn ethics of life and their moral and emotional growth from a human, but not any robot, who do not have any emotions or character. Millions of people might lose their jobs, and thousands of them had already lost their jobs due to robots. We all feel very advanced when we see robots are being used as waiters in restaurants, painters in car companies, and as a personal assistant or maid in our homes. But just think of that. These all who do these odd jobs are not very rich to support their families. If they get fired, what these people will do? I don't think they are wealthy and financially stable, and while some new jobs will be created, not everyone will be able to learn new skills so quickly. Imagine walking into a store and not seeing a single human working there. AI-powered robots could run everything, from checkout to restocking shelves. Would that be exciting or scary? Even creative jobs like writing, filmmaking, and music composition are being done by AI. So, if AI can think and create, what makes humans special anymore? Than to program or repair, and not everyone can be a programmer or mechanic of robot. Artificial intelligence, AI systems, particularly during their development and operations, consume significant amount of water. The training phase of large AI models is especially water-intensive. For instance, training the GPT-3 language model in Microsoft's U.S. data centers directly consumed approximately 700,000 liters of fresh water through evaporation for cooling purposes. Beyond training, the regular operation of AI models also contributes to water consumption. Each interaction with AI systems like ChatGPT involves computations that generate heat, necessitating cooling. It's estimated that every 5 to 50 prompts processed by ChatGPT can consume about 500 milliliters of water, roughly equivalent to a 16-ounce bottle. Major technology companies have reported increases in water usage correlating with the growing demand for AI services. In 2022, Google's data centers consumed about 5 billion gallons, nearly 20 billion liters, of fresh water for cooling, marking a 20% increase from the previous year. Similarly, Microsoft's water use rose by 34% during the same period. And these personalities then says we may felt short of fresh water in recent years. Do you think we are the consumers of fresh water on a large scale, or these billionaires? Besides these facts and figures, new companies are heading their trends toward artificial intelligence, and every social media platform is making a new AI system in their applications. Some people believe AI must be controlled before it's too late. Our governments should talk about AI rules to make sure it is used for good, not for harm. But will rules be enough? Or will AI grow too fast for anyone to control? In my personal opinion, AI is a computer connected with the internet, so it can be hacked, and you don't know what the hacker will do with your personal data, because it's your data which is important in this digital age, and if you had taken the Mr. Musk's chip, or planning to take one, just think twice of it. Because if the data center or your personal chip got hacked, you don't know what's gonna happen to you, because you will be controlled by the hacker. With every search you make with AI, you make it more wiser and trained than before, because they are the learning bots and learn things like this. Right now, AI companies are racing to build the most powerful AI systems. But if everyone is in a race, who is making sure AI is safe? Because no one wants to lose the race, do you? AI is a tool, and a tool must be operated by his master, not a master to be operated by the tool. The question is, how do we use it? Do we make AI work for humans, or do we let it replace us? The future is in our hands. Some believe I will help us become smarter and more productive, like how computers and the internet changed the world. Others fear I will take away our control and make decisions for us. One thing is clear. AI is here to stay, but it's up to us to decide how we shape its future. Will AI be our greatest invention or our biggest mistake? What do you think? Is AI making the world better or worse? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe in faith.